That's the edge. I've been putting this off, but I'm gonna do it. Rick's out there, he's the only one I gotta worry about right now. The DPI is probably worried. He's back here. He just got to be lined up. I'm watching.
As I said, river looks like we do this. You know where I want to put those cars? On the back end of the trailer, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm going to do?
Oh, you're gonna put the whole shebang in there. You're gonna bring the train up, drop the caboose.
Yep, just like we did the other time. And we get out of my hair, I don't have to worry about it.
Yeah, you got the tick, 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 and you got a speed time from there.
Well, I won't be across the diamond.
Here, I'll flag.
Yeah, flag for me there.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna leave.
The road.
We're gonna leave across the road for a few minutes. Like I said, the railroad road wouldn't be allowed to do that.
All depends on how the
Clear him up.
mayor